I'm currently looking at gold as we speak on the daily time frame. As you can see here, we have the last level of a low, so the last support, the second support after that, which is a higher low, higher level of support. And right now, currently, we have price selling down. So right now, my mindset is, why is price selling here? So I need that answer. What I'm going to do is go from the daily time frame to the 4 hour time frame. And I've already looked at the chart, so I kind of already know why price is selling now. As we see here, price came up to this level, and this is the lower high that was created. So price ended up dropping, making a low, making a lower high, and then ended up making a higher low. But that higher low ended up pushing, but didn't make a higher high. So right now we're actually in between two levels where price could either buy or sell. So we are in a no trade zone. So with this no trade zone, price could bounce in between these levels over and over. So we need some type of indication of what direction price is going to go into. So it can go down from this level, or it can go up from this level and push higher to the all-time highs. With all this being said, right now I'm currently not in any trades. I'm just waiting for price to give me a signal of which direction that it wants to go truly. All this consolidation ended up making the buyers slow down. Buyers are obviously slowing down here. Sellers already had momentum in this level already. So that is what price is pushing with right now as we speak. So none of this right here is phasing me. I'm just overall looking at what direction price probably wants to go. Because from here, we could possibly get a higher low and then price build up off of this. Now, this is the last level. So this is the last higher low. So that means anything under here is bearish. Right now, we're still above it. So price could potentially make another higher low just to go back up. So just to be on the safe side, I would rather see a break of a higher low. So this is a break of structure. Once the break of structure happens, we will get that indication, a pullback, so a correction, which will be the lower high. So let me go ahead and draw it out for you. So we will get a break, which is the indication, which is a new low. So this will be a lower low, which is bearish. And then we'll create a lower high, which is also bearish, and then we would place our trade for that sell and then look for that new lower low. So right now, for the time being, I'm sitting back and watching what price is going to do further on.